my channel. It's Chrissy here. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below so you can join the squad. Come on in, bring it on in, all of that. And turn your bells on if you want to be notified every time your girl upload a video, and you will be notified. So today's video, we just did this sultry type red eye look for you guys, and I'm with my mom. Showed her how to get this face beat, period. Okay. If you guys want to see how we got this look, keep on watching.
So this is going to be the shortest tutorial ever, okay, because we did not film like the whole entire face, but we're going in with that Frenchy shade. It's like a tannish shade from the Morphe 24G palette. Then we will be taking the Morphe 3502 palette and getting this brown shade and just, you know, deepening up the crease so we can do a cut crease. We will be also going in with a Juvia's Place and just taking that dark shade and putting it inside of the crease to make it even darker.
It's really good.
Next, we're going to go in with the Makeup Revolution concealer, and it is the Cut Crease Canvas Concealer in the shade Halo, and we're just going to be cutting our crease with that. Video is pretty quick. We will be doing longer length videos, you know, where I actually like come and talk to y'all, where we actually come and talk to y'all. But yeah, we're just going to take that fire red shade from 3502 palette and pack that on top, and we're going to be also smoking it out with a black shade from the same palette. We're going to go also in with a Wet n Wild liquid liner and line out our lids. She did have store-bought lashes, but I had used my lashes from Pastel Lashes, and they're in the style Stubborn. I will list my code down below for you guys.
I hope you guys enjoyed us doing this look for you guys. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below so you can join the squad. Also, turn your bells on so you will be notified. Be my baby. And give this video a big old thumbs up if you like this video. Comment your thoughts down below for you, girl. Let us know, do you want more collabs together, more videos of us together, all of that. Also, don't forget to follow us on our social networks, and we'll see you guys in the next one.